Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can know when I go live and I do more unboxings and all kinds of good stuff. I've got a lot of unboxings coming up this month of November. Welcome to November. And today I am doing the holiday palette from Morphe, which is the 35XO Natural Flirt. And I'm not a huge Morphe fan, but when I saw this color story, I about lost my mind because it's so beautiful. It's like the best blushy, rosy palette altogether ever. So it's so good that I just had to give it a go. So, and it's so big it barely fits on my table. I'm going to swatch a few, let me grab my tissues and my little wipes. I'm going to swatch a few colors just to see how they do, because this is a 35 gram palette and frankly we don't have all day now, do we? Or do we? But I'm not going to do it all day. And I've got hair all over me from putting in braids, but it's so cute, who cares? So I'm going to go here with the shimmer. Here, 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 and here. That is very light shimmer. Oh, this is swatching really nicely. There's the little light shimmer. It's hard to see, but you can just see a little bit of the shimmer there. Let me swatch that again. There it is. You can barely see a little shine. But that swatches really nicely. Maybe this is the first Morphe non-collab palette that I keep. Maybe so. Maybe no. We'll find out momentarily on the Palette's Right. I don't know how right this palette is, but I'm going to give it a go. So I'm going to start in the crease with this lovely one called Hair Flip. And it's a nice neutral color. And that looks great. It is a perfect transitional color, perfect base color. Excellent. That was easy enough. Next up, let's go soft pink with Hard to Get on the outside of my eye. Hard to get. It's hard to pick up on this brush. It's showing up a little bit. It's just a really soft pink. And the light is quite bright in here, so it's hard to see it. But it is picking up and it is going down. It's just very beautiful and romantic and subtle. Very sweet. It is a very sweet color. Then I'm going to darken it up with, I think I'm going to go into Talk Feelings here, this mauve that I swatched, which is right underneath it. How dare I use a color that I swatched? But I have an idea of what to expect. What kind of craziness is that? And I just put that in my crease and on the outside as I'm building layers of colors. Next up, I'm going to go with Love Story right here in the corner. It's kind of a plummy, pinky purple. That looks about even. For a change, it looks about even. Let's get under the brow bone. I forgot. I always forget to do that, and I always do that late. With Single Life. No, with Across the Room. It's kind of a shimmery, beigey color. Oh, it's got a lot of shimmer. It does show up. There's a little puff up in the ear with it, a little fallout, but nothing terrible. So that all needs to be blended. Here's my angled blending brush. Looks like I need to go a little bit into Talk Feelings again. And then into Love Story. And then to go the darkest in the outside corner, I'm going to go into Make It Official. There's a little kick up in the pan. Oh, that's looking good. But I have a feeling a lot of the looks in this palette, from this palette, are going to look the same. I'm going to get my glitter glue. And first I'm getting ahead of myself. Now I'm going to take your move right here, that first shimmer, and put it on the lid. Now I'm going to take some glitter glue, because there's a great glitter in this called Crushing Hard. And it is NYX glitter glue. It's what I've been using for forever and a day, and it lasts a long, long time. Now I'm going to go into this glitter with my findex finger. It's like my index finger, except fancier because it's picking up glitter. Oh, that's sweet. So that's really a sweet look. I'm digging it. This palette is a maybe. It's a maybe baby. We'll see about it. Now the eyeliner from Stila. And mascara from Dark Star from Pat McGrath. Between the lash serum and this mascara, my eyelashes look crazy long. The big challenge is to make it look crazy long. Oh, and it's working on the left-hand side. I'm not really good at being consistent like every night with the lash serum, but I'm doing it more often than I don't. And it's making crazy long lashes. And this mascara doesn't hurt either. I'm gonna do my brows real quick. I forgot to do those. That is not my brow pencil. This is my brow pencil. I'm gonna try to go in a little softer than I've been going. A little more natural. There we go. Little brushing. That looks sweet. And now for the lips, something really darling. It is number 15 from Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. And it is in Lover. And there we have it. A beautiful look with the Morphe 35XO Natural Flirt, and it's super pretty and feminine. And I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.